I saw a TikTok of a lady putting Parmesan rinds into a microwave. Let's try it out. So what she did first was take out this outer layer. So let's go ahead and do that. You know, I'm tempted to use my dollar store knife on this and see if it holds up. Nope. That's a no. That's a safety hazard. Then she just took a portion of the rind, cubed it up, put it on a plate, and put it into the microwave. I forget how long, but we're gonna try 30 seconds to start with. Definitely needs more time. I'm going for another whole minute. Let's see how they look. Okay, if you can tell, I don't know if you can, they got kind of brittle, kind of lost a little bit of their weight. I'm gonna bite into it for you to hear the texture. It just snapped like a piece of chalk. Okay, listen to this crunch. That's crazy. I usually put my Parmesan rinds in like soups or sauces to flavor it, but this checks out. It's a great little snack.